Welcome in, everyone. Today we're with another Member Wins case study. I'm with Shearene. Shearene, how you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, awesome. Well, look, Shearene, we're going to dive right into this, but first things first, I wanted to get better perspective. How long have you been inside of the program for so far?
So I started your program September 2025, so a few months now.
Okay, gotcha. And before or during, when you came inside of the program, what is it exactly that you do for work? What's your job?
So I was in the medical field. I was a customer service representative at a health insurance company, and I actually am no longer employed with that company.
Okay, gotcha. So when you were working, was it just kind of like a regular work schedule, like 40 hours a week and whatnot?
40 hours a week, 9 to 5. And it was very hard because I have young kids, so it's very hard for me.
Okay. So, and how many kids do you have?
I have two kids,
You have
two
two kids.
small
Gotcha.
kids.
Your hands are full, to say the least.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Gotcha. Now, before you came into something like this, I mean, did you try anything similar to Amazon, to e-commerce before in the past? And if you did, like, what was that experience like for you?
I definitely did. So prior to this, I actually started with another Amazon company, and that did not work at all. I started with that maybe January of 25, and I had no success with that one at all.
Gotcha. What do you feel like was missing for you? Why didn't you get to the point where you felt like you were successful or you were getting anything from it?
So basically, with that program, there was no input as far as a coach. Like you see how you coach, you're here for us, you're here for me. Every time I have a question, you're there with the answers. With that program, it was learn on your own basically. Like they put you in front of a computer, you take notes, listen to recordings, and that's just that. Like they don't guide you, they just give you informative information where I did not feel as though it was working for me at all. It wasn't hands on. Like the coach was not hands on. I never even met the coach before. And it was learn on your own basically with that program.
Got it. So they just simply handed you a bunch of videos and then like that was basically it, I guess.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay. And what like initiated the thought for you to start wanting to sell on Amazon? Like was it a long time or was there anything behind that?
So it was actually a long time coming. And I feel as though when I was working, I didn't have time for my kids because my kids are into so many activities. And the 9 to 5, it was stressful, very, very stressful. On top of dealing with two young kids, and they're always in a soccer program, a basketball program, a baseball, gymnastics, something, doing something. And I feel like I didn't have any time for my family. And then I needed the extra money as well. So I said, let me look into Amazon and see what I can prosper from there.
Got it. So when you first came across our program then and what, how we conduct everything, like what ultimately made you decide to jump into our program despite you having a negative experience before in the past with another Amazon program?
So I actually heard good reviews from an old coworker of mine on this program, and he said that this was one of the best, and I'm super happy that I signed up because it is one of the best. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And then I
And
also did research on you as well. A
right,
lot of
I
YouTube
mean,
videos. Yeah.
as you should, right? I mean, I think
Mhm.
you got to do your due diligence. And
Exactly.
when you first decided, like, you know what, you're going to jump in, you're going to start this, like, what was that like? How did you feel in the beginning parts of you starting and joining the program?
Whew. So in the beginning of the program, I was so stressed in the house crying. Like I spent my money and it's not working out for me. But then I felt like only I can make my store succeed. So you and I had a conversation, and I think that that conversation really, really helped me out. And then the first sale that I made, I know I can go harder. Like
Yeah.
the first sale is the best sale, and that's what put my foot to the road. So yeah, that's what helped me out a lot. It was very stressful. It's not a walk in the park. Nothing was easy in the beginning, but only you can help yourself, basically. That's
Yeah.
how I see it.
Absolutely. I mean, like we can guide you as much as we can possibly guide you and mentor you through the whole process, but it's up to you. It's your
It's up to
store.
you, definitely.
Success is
Your time, your
exactly.
success. Exactly. Basically, what I did, I set a goal for myself. Like, I needed the extra money for my kids because I like going on vacations. So I needed the extra money. And I'm like, this is what I want to accomplish within a month. And I've definitely hit that with your help, with all of the coaches' help.
Yeah. what do you feel like were specific parts of the mentorship program do you feel like helped you the most achieve those financial goals for you and obviously go on vacation and whatnot?
The fact that when I have a hard time, there's always someone 24/7 to help me. You're amazing. JP's amazing. All the rest of the coaches. Erica's amazing. Every time I need help, there is help available. You even have the program Shane AI that helps me out a lot. So unlike the other program where I needed help and no one was available, I never even spoke to the coach. We were just in a Discord conversation and no one would ever answer. You guys are there for me every single time I need the help. Like I can ask a question and it'll be answered within at least 10 minutes.
Right.
So I really appreciate that.
I'm happy that you have the ability to have that support because it is a new business. Regardless, you're gonna have questions. It's normal, but and I think I
Exactly.
remember our conversation, right? Like we had to have a very straight up conversation with each other,
Exactly.
and it
I needed that.
yeah, you needed that, right? Because
Mhm.
I see in something that you didn't necessarily see in yourself at that moment.
Mhm.
And that's the point of the mentors and the mentors is to really help you get to the point where you want to be outside of what you currently see yourself in right now for your Amazon business.
Exactly.
And through the last months that you've been inside of the program, like how far have you been able to come? Like what do you feel like has been your biggest accomplishment, your biggest breakthrough thus far?
I've been hitting my goals, making extra money, making a lot of extra money. And so far for this month, I've had over 100 sales. I've been doing great so far. Yes.
Yeah, I'd love to hear
Yes,
that. Awesome. And are you in a position now where I know obviously your kids are a big part of this? Like feel like you're able to be a little bit more present with them, maybe attend more things and
absolutely.
whatnot?
Absolutely. Absolutely. With my 9 to 5, I was working weekends sometimes, mandatory overtime, where I would get off of work. I would work from 8 to 8. With this, I'm my own boss. I can get up and go to my son's game. I can get up and go to my daughter's gymnastics show and come back and finish working. I'm my own boss. No one is log in, log in. It's not like that. Like I set my standards and I try to accomplish my goal. So yes, I love it.
I mean, you deserve every bit of it at the end of the
Thank
day,
you.
and that's the truth of it. What would you say, Shearene, for someone that was once in a position like you're in, who's they're on the fence, they're thinking about joining the program, but they still have doubts, right? They're still a little bit skeptical about making the decision to join. Like, what would you say to someone in that position?
Take the risk. Take the risk. It pays off. Take the risk. It's not easy. I'm not going to say it's easy at all, but it's worth it. That's all I can say. It's definitely worth it. It's worth giving it a shot. You only get one life. Take the risk. And I'm super happy that I signed up. Honestly, Shane, I'm super, super happy that I signed up. Hear my phone ringing.
All right.
Just got to stay. Yes,
I
I'm
love it.
super happy. Super, super happy, Shane. This is one of the best decisions I've made so far in life. Definitely. Where I'm able to get up, get out, enjoy the weather, come back, and I'm not restrained to a desk. No one is on my back. It's comfortable. I'm making money and it's great. I love it.
It warms my heart to see how far you've come and I mean how far you're going to be able to go because that's the best part about all of this, right? Is
Right. In such a short time
exactly.
with your help.
Yeah. So what do you feel like is the big goal for you? What do you want to achieve here throughout the remainder part of 2026?
I'm trying to make $1 million.
Yeah. Let's do it.
I'm
Sky's the
on the
limit.
road to success. I have goals. I want to travel more. I just came from Disney World,
Okay.
so that's nice, yes.
I love that.
And I'm actually taking my kids away this summer again, and I love it. My goals is to move on, do better, make more money, accomplish more, and broaden my horizons.
All right. Well, the sky's the limit, and I'm here with you every single step of the way, along with the coaches, to be able to make sure you can be able to make that an actual reality for you. All right.
Appreciate you all.
All right. Well, awesome, Shereen. I appreciate you sharing your perspective. And if this helped anybody in similar positions, obviously, if Shereen is someone that can be able to do it, then there's no reason why you can't.
And so take
Absolutely.
the risk. It's worth it.
All right.